Hey folks, welcome to inside the basement of the homestead. This is the plumbing that needs to be replaced. It's unique, to say the least. I don't remember all the ins and outs that we figured out, but I will show you what I do remember right now. This is how we turn on the power to the pump in the well. But when Marty came to visit, he made me aware that with this not being hooked up, we no longer had a static flow detector on the well, and that we should always have a spigot open somewhere so we don't have a problem there. These valves and levers go to various spigots outside, including the RV hookups, the barn, and the studio. And we do know that the plumbing to the studio works outside of this building. So that's good. This top piece here goes out to the garden, and it is intact to the point where it reaches the garden, and that's where I stopped repairing it. And this is a, sub pump, and I need to get a new one of those for this because it was full of water, and I came and cleaned it out with the kayak pump. So that's that part. Okay. I'll do a slow pan here at the end for anybody that missed anything. We do have power in here. I'm not 100% sure what's going on with that.